So, dear cadets, as you know, we have already completed the chapter number 11, that is transportation in animals and plant. Now, this is the time to complete the NCERT exercise. So, what is the first question? We'll complete exercise with the help of extra marks only, because here question is also there, answer is also there. If same thing I will write time and again on the blackboard, so the clarity may be less. Here clarity is good. So match the structures given in column first with the functions given in column 2. Column first, stomata, xylem, root hairs, phloem. Column 2, absorption of water, transpiration, transport of food, transport of water, synthesis of carbohydrates. So just see, stomata. What is the meaning of stomata? Stomata is related with the transpiration of plant. Xylem. What is the function of xylem? Xylem transport water. Root hairs, they are related with the absorption of food. Now phloem, transport of food. So one has been given extra, that is the synthesis of carbohydrate. So rest 4 are matched properly. Now let us see their answer. See. Okay. Now next one is question number 2. Fill in the blanks. The blood from the heart is transported to all parts of the body by the arteries. Hemoglobin is present in the RBC, red blood cells. Arteries and veins are joined by a network of capillaries. The rhythmic expansion and contraction of the heart is called heartbeat. The main excretory product in human being is urea. The sweat contains water and salts. Kidney eliminates the waste material in the liquid form called urine. Water reaches great height in the trees because of the suction pull caused by evaporation. So just see the answers also. Okay. Now let us move to the question number 3. Choose the correct option. In plants, water is transported through xylem. Water absorption through roots can be increased by keeping the plants in the shade, in dim light, under the fan, covered with a polythene bags. So what is the correct answer? Water absorption through, just see, water absorbs from the side by the suction pull generated by the transpiration. When temperature is more, then what is there? When the temperature is more or when the rate of evaporation is more, then suction pull be generated will be more. So under fan, if you will keep the plant, then their rate of evaporation would be more, and now more suction will be generated. Now see the answers. Okay. Now, why is transport of materials necessary in a plant or in an animal? Explain. Just try to understand. The transport of material is necessary in a plant or in an animal. Just see. If transport of material is not there, then what would be there? The organ where they are produced, they will be located there only, and energy is required for all parts of the body. So all cell has to get the energy. If all cells will not get the energy, or all cells will not get the material, how they will perform their day-to-day activities? That is why the transport of material is required. Other thing is, just try to understand, when cell functions, it produces so many waste. Okay, if those waste are localized there only, so they may be proved to be poisonous for us. Okay, and our body systems may not work effectively. So transport of material is required for two things. Number one, transport of material is required so that the nutrients can be reached to the all parts of the body. First one. Second one is all cells generated waste that should also be transported to different parts. Okay, sorry, they can be transported to the organ or point of disposal, means they should be discharged from the body, otherwise they may create the poisonous effect. Okay, see the answer. So basically what we can say, transport of material is required for two things. Number one, for the transport of nutrients from one part to other parts, and the second one is the transport of waste generated by the cell from point of generation to the point of disposal. Okay, so that they may not localize in our body. You can write the answer of this one in point wise also, as I told. First you cover the point related with the nutrients. Second, under nutrients what will come? Food will also come, water will also come. And toxic, they have used word the toxic, you can use the word waste. There is no problem on toxic waste, both are correct thing. So in point also you can write. Question number 5, what will happen if there are no platelets in the blood? So what is the function of blood platelets? Blood platelets are doing two work. What is the first work? They help in the clotting of blood. If blood platelets are not there in our body, then clotting of blood will not be there. In the absence of platelets, clot formation will not take place. That will result in severe blood loss in case of injury. When a blood vessel is injured, platelets form blood clot that covers the wound, protecting it from disease, causing microorganisms and preventing blood loss. Okay, so if blood clots are not there, even if minor injury is there, so continuous blood loss will be there and our survival will become difficult. What are stomata? Give two functions of stomata. Stomata are small pores present on the surface of the leaves, forming an opening for exchange of material. Two important functions of stomata are as follows. Stomata allow exchange of gases, that is intake of carbon dioxide and release of oxygen through it. Stomata regulate rate of evaporation of water from the leaf surface, which is called transpiration. So just see, stomata is doing two work. Number one thing is stomata exchange the gases. So just see, it intakes carbon dioxide gas and gives out oxygen gas. Second one is stomata regulate the evaporation of water from the leaf surface, which is called transpiration. So stomata is playing role in the transpiration, and transpiration is very important process. If transpiration is not there, then suction pull will not be generated. If transpiration is not there, then what is there? Plant will not be cooled down. Moreover to this, it will not cool us also. So stomata is playing very important role. Let us move to the question number 7. Does transpiration serve any useful function in the plants? Yes, already I told you two functions. The first function is it generates, you can write their answer in the point wise only. Number one, transpiration generate the suction pull, and second one, it cools down the plant. It cools down. Due to this suction pressure, water is transported to great height in a large trees through the xylem. Here they have not mentioned the second function of transpiration. You can write, I told this one. What is that one? Transpiration cools down the plant. So when plant is cool, then only they can cool us. So second function also you can right here. That is also one of the important function of transpiration. Don't think that in extra marks whatever things are given they are the only authentic, and if teacher is telling something so that is not authentic. So it means this one is also made by the teachers only, experts only. So please write the second point also. What are the components of blood? Already you have written. And now just see the component of blood. They have made here two ways. Means 4 types they told. How I have told? See, blood has got 2 components. Number 1 is the plasma, and second, these 3 are corpuscles, are cells. Okay. So just see. Now very easily you can see in my first video of this chapter. You just see the components of blood. How I wrote, same way you should also write. If you will write in this way, then also I don't have a problem. But that was the most organized and systematic way of writing the components of blood. Okay. So these are the components of blood. And what are the components of circulatory system? So blood comes under circulatory system. Are you getting my point or not? What are the components of circulatory system? Under the circulatory system, first one is the heart, and under heart what is there? 4 chambers are there. Okay, those chambers you should write. Second component of circulatory system is blood vessels. Means without blood vessels, circulatory system will have no use. So in blood vessels, how many blood vessels are there? 3: arteries, veins, and capillaries. What is the third one thing? The third one thing is blood. In blood, these are the components. So already you have written. Next question is, why is blood needed by all parts of body? Just blood is needed by all parts of body because of 3 things only. Number 1, blood carries oxygen from one cell to another cell. Blood carries nutrients from one part to another part. Blood carries the waste from the point of generation to point of disposal. Point of disposal is kidney. From there only waste material are filtered and they are disposed of. Okay. So you can write their answer also in the point wise only. Just what makes the blood look red? Blood appears red because of the presence of red colored pigment called hemoglobin. Already you have written. The pigment binds with oxygen and carries it to all parts of the body. Now the function of heart. How they have taught the function of heart and how I have taught. Write in that way only, point wise. If things are written in the point wise, it is easy to remember. Okay. And now you are the tender age child, and what is required? Systematic way of things should be there, so that you can remember it forever. You can store in your permanent memory of your brain, and as and when you require, you can retrieve it. Okay. So that way you should write. Things are same only, but here they have written in one go, and it is difficult to by heart. Here what is there? One by one. So these are the functions. What are the function of heart? The heart pump the oxygenated blood from heart to different parts of body. Heart receive the deoxygenated blood from the carbon dioxide rich blood from different parts of body through veins. What is the third one function? Heart send the impure blood to lungs for the purification. Fourth function is heart receive the oxygenated blood from lungs through pulmonary vein. Okay, pulmonary vein. Already you know. So basically 4 function I taught. Please do in that way only. Why is it necessary to excrete waste product? when products need to be excreted because these are toxic in nature and their circulation or presence in body cause damage to the various organs of the body. Draw a diagram of the human excretory system and label the various parts. So diagram of the human excretory system and label the various parts are like that. Just see this one, already you know, you have drawn also, I hope. In this way, so your exercise is completely completed and chapter also.